when we are talking about the energy transition in Europe. At this level, we're talking about competitiveness and jobs. And competitiveness and jobs means basically confidence and trust for investors and future for employees. I think the solution has different angles. The first one, I think, that is basically related to focus on the right policies, focus on consensus and right policies, and then the application of the right policies with laser precision. What we have to do in Europe to protect our industry, taking into account that there is an energy transition going on. The first thing I think that we need to stimulate the demand. This is important, and to stimulate the demand, you should look what is going on with the industry, what is going on with the car park. For example, there is a huge opportunity to renovate, to change the car park. Is the main problem for emissions in the cities, and is probably the first real measure with high impact to reduce emissions. In our regional level. The second one is about competitiveness, and about competitiveness we should look for the prices of the energy, we need to look for the prices of our logistics, we need to look to the tax incentives we have in our industry, because this is really important to compete with these countries outside of Europe. And the third one, I think that Europe will have to put a tremendous focus on leadership regarding technology and innovation, and this is basically in practical terms, I think this is about carbon capture, green hydrogen, this is digital, this is smart cities, so on and so forth. It's a tough target, indeed, but there is a pathway, there is a roadmap to get into there. So the first commitment is regarding the 2016 baseline. We'll reduce the carbon intensity in the range of 10% in 2025, 20% in 2030, and 40% in 2040. Okay, so this jointly is 70% in 2040. We will put all our energy, all our focus in terms of energy efficiency. I mean, the name of the game in the very near future will be about energy efficiency. Energy efficiency in all the processes, in our industrial processes, energy efficiency in the exploration and production activities. We will increase the percentage of biofuels and renewables in our portfolio of products, and this can be in a period of 10 years more or less. That will be certainly the main pace to achieve that. On top of that, we will incorporate all the other technologies. This is the carbon capture, green hydrogen, etc. We are already testing some of these natural climate solutions, okay, like for example reforestation. And there are other things that I think is still in the business development arena, and certainly it will be an opportunity in the future to cope with this strong objective. Well, in Repsol Foundation, basically, we share the strategy of our company. I mean, and we have a new strategy in place. The first one is to align with the company strategy, and the second one is to incorporate all the new trends as far as the so-called third sector is concerned. So our first contribution will be through our Entrepreneurs Fund. There is an accelerator, and we are looking for projects and startups that basically we can accelerate, and they are putting the focus in some disruptive technologies. So we are talking in business lines related with green hydrogen, carbon capture, smart cities. And the second one is last July we launched Repsol Social Impact with a fund of 50 million. And this is to develop a series of social business with a triple impact, which should be economic, to be sustainable, has to be social, to get impact, and has to be environment to continue this pathway and this development. We are working in 5 lines, very much related with energy transition. So, I mean, we are contributing to the energy transition, and at the same time, we are creating jobs, opportunities to people with some difficulties, which in Spain, I think that we are in the early stages of the development of the new economy. The old economy, as we study in the universities, this old economy is a bit saturated. I mean, it's exhausted. Okay, so I think the new trends will be this economy of triple bottom line, and this is about to happen.